Fadila Trijayani with student ID 2025-32079 from class C. On this occasion, I would like to explain my practical result for the algorithm and data course and data structure course, which is about implementing a queue data structure. So, in this practicum, I create a program that implements a queue data structure using the FIFO concept, which stands first in, first out. This means the first data that enters the queue will be the first one to be removed. In this program, I use a struct called antrian drive-through, which stores data in an array and also keeps track of two pointers, front and then rear. So after understanding the basic concept, I will now explain how this concept is implemented, which is used to initialize the queue. In this step, front and rear are set to -1, indicating that the queue is empty. And then there is the isEmpty function, which checks whether the queue is empty. So next there is the isFull function, which checks whether the queue has reached its maximum capacity. And after that, there is the enqueue function, which is used to insert data into the queue at the rear position. So before inserting, the program checks the condition using the isFull function. Then there is the dequeue function, which removes data from the front of the queue. After removing, the remaining elements are shifted forward using a looping process to maintain the correct order. So next, there is the display function, which is used to display all the data in the queue. So the final is there is the main function, which controls the overall execution of the program. After the program is executed, the output shows how the queue operates based on the FIFO principle. Here, at the beginning, the queue is empty because the create function initializes front and rear to -1. Then, during the enqueue process, several data entries are added into the queue. For example, vehicle plate numbers such as B1234 ABC and then D5678DEF and F9101GHI. These data are inserted in sequence. When displayed, the order remains the same as the insertion order. Next, when the dequeue operation is performed, the front element, which is B1234 ABC, will be removed first. This confirms that the program correctly applies the FIFO concept. And after that, D5678DEF becomes the next front element. And then remaining data shifts forward. If all the data is removed, the queue returns to an empty state, and front and rear are reset to -1. So that is all for my explanation. Thank you for your attention. Bye.